Hello friends, so I'm back with the video that you have all been asking. This is the Spigen Glass TR Platinum 2.0 for Galaxy S23 Ultra. So as you can see, it is mentioned as adhesive curing by UV lamp. So this product is basically for S23 Ultra, which has a curved display. And today we are making the video of your request, which was how to remove this glass, clean it and reinstall it. So my friends, this video may get a bit longer, but bear with me. I will show you step by step how to do it. So why wait, my friends? First we will start by cleaning the desk and then removing this tempered glass, then cleaning the top of the display and installing with the new tempered glass. That part I will skip because you can see that in my last video, but today the most important part is removing and installing the part. That's it, my friends. So let's open this up. So we will keep this box aside. First we need to remove and check what we get, but that we can skip. But first of all, we will remove it for a quick installation and check what's inside the box. The same thing we get as we got on the previous video, and this is the same content that we are getting. Now we'll focus on removing this glass. As you can see, this glass has damaged here. So let me open this from the case. Always remove it this way. So as you can see here, this glass is damaged here, and this is not a damage, but there is one more damage. Yes, this is the whole damage that you can see. This is a crack that goes on in this way up to here. So this is the damage. So let me keep this aside and remove this glass. So as you have heard, that this is very tough to remove and all, but this is not like that. So it is very easy to remove. Just you need to pull it like this, and then it will remove piece by piece in this way. So be very careful about it, because while removing it won't come off as a single piece, may it come as a piece by piece, because the glass itself is very thin. So we better use a tool to remove it. So as you can see here, I am using this knife. Yes, I think the knife may damage my display, but it won't, because I am ripping it apart very slowly, as you can see here, and it is coming off as a single piece. Once I get a single area to hold the glass totally, then I will pull it off easily. So the adhesive is really nice and the glass is good, as you can see. So this was the damage, as you can see here. This was the damage, and the adhesive is good, smells good, still has the part. This I don't know why it broke off. I think because of the damage, that's why it broke off. So we will throw this out. So directly live, you can see I removed the glass from the phone, and as you can see, there is no residue. There is no residue of the glue or anything, only the dust particles that has accumulated on the sides and corners, as you can see here, on the corners everywhere here, and this side, nothing else. This will be removed very easily, and as always, do remember to remove this before doing the installation, and we will start the process now. So as you can see here, my friends, I have already readied my phone. Now I will clean this using this alcohol wipe, and we will go through the process as we have done it earlier in the first video. So from here on, I am clear that you can go to that last video and watch how to do the installation, though that was the removing part. So you have to be very careful about it, how to remove it, and I'll show you. I haven't damaged the screen here. You can see this is dust particle, this is not a scratch. Okay, to confirm it, I will clean this using this. Okay, so because you will be having a doubt that I have made some fakery out of it and I have sewn something wrong, and that's why I'm not editing this video or doing anything which you will, even you are able to hear the whistling of my security guard. So this is a live video, don't worry about it, my friends. I'm not lying to you. So in this way I have cleaned it. Now I will use the cloth to remove the extra dust particles. One of the cloth, I have to take out one of the cloth from here. So take out one of the cloth. As you can see, this is one cloth, so we will use this to wipe this off. Okay, so as you can see here, so this is the clean display. You can see there is no scratch here, nothing, and we will be installing the tempered glass on top of this form. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for how to remove the tempered glass, and for installation you can watch my previous video. I'll put the video's link in the description below, or you can search it from in my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.